Hi, Anita.
Hi, Maniganda. Hi, good evening.
Happy evening.
Happy evening.
You. Good to see you.
Happy evening, Anna.
Happy evening.
Happy evening, Anna.
Happy evening. So we have our new volunteer, Akka Anita Akka from Bangalore.
Hi. Hi, all of you.
Hi, ma'am. Happy evening, ma'am. Happy evening, ma'am.
Happy evening. Happy evening.
அக்கானே கூப்பிடலாம் ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை என்ன அனிதா அவ்வளவுதானா
Yes, sure. Akkan கூப்பிடலாம்.
தாராளமா அக்கானே கூப்பிடலாம் Good. Superb. Okay, I think yeah. 32516. భవ్య వేరే ఎవరైనా జాయిన్ అవుతారా
అన్న ఒకసారి భావేష్ అన్నకు ఫోన్ చేస్తాను.
ఓకే మహేష్ బాలుకు ఒకసారి ట్రై చేయకూడదు
ట్రై
just let them try with another couple of folks and then they'll start.
Okay. Sure.
So you fully settled in Bangalore, huh?
Hey, I'm in Chennai, yeah. I was wondering why you were telling
Chennai.
Bangalore.
Okay,
I'm
I
in
was
Chennai.
thinking you are in Bangalore. Sorry. Okay, good. Let's see. So before they start, I think you can interact with this two guys, Akhil and Gnanadipti.
Jnanadipti, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Very happy to know all the students of the Gurukulam 360-degree learning school. So very happy to meet you all. Very happy to conduct a storytelling session for you all. Then tell me a little about yourself. You two of you. Tell me which standard you're studying, your name, which standard you're studying, what are your hobbies, all that.
My name is Jnanadipti. I am studying 7th class. My name is B. Rakhi. I am studying 3rd class.
Okay, very good.
మనీ
about the
అన్న
other?
బాలు హాయ్ మ్యామ్ మై నేమ్ ఇస్ మహేష్
Mahesh. Hi, Mahesh. Which standard you are studying, Mahesh?
మ్యామ్ 8th మ్యామ్
8th. What about the others? The other two girls? What's your name and which standard you are studying?
My name is Nagalakshmi, ma'am. I am studying 7th class, ma'am.
7th standard.
My name is Hasini, ma'am. I am studying 7th class.
7th standard. Good. Very good.
Bhavya.
மணி அண்ணா பால் ஃபோன் பண்ணோம்னா வீட்ல இல்ல மேனா
சரி
அண்ணா நானு பாவேஷ் எனக்கு ஃபோன் பண்ணனா லிஃப்ட் பண்ணலனா அந்த அண்ணா
Okay. Yeah, go ahead with your introduction.
What is your name? Yeah, tell me.
My name is Bhavya. I am studying in 6th class.
6th standard. Good. So today I'll be telling you a story about actions. Every day in life we do a lot of actions. Can you think of a single day in life where you don't do any action? You won't even have a single day like that. So we are going to read a story which has a lot of actions in it. Each action word has a picture which shows the action. Like the picture will be there and the action word will be there. So first, what I'm planning is first I will read out all the words to you. For some people, it may be very simple. For some people, it may be difficult. So because this is the first session, I'm just getting a pulse of all of your capabilities. So what I plan to do is after I finish telling the story, then all of you can unmute yourself. Now also, I think you have you're in unmute only. So unmute yourself and you can tell the words one by one as I show the story screen to you. You can tell the words aloud one by one so that you get the words embedded in your mind. Okay. So, Mani, have you screen sharing? Have you enabled?
Yeah, you
Ah,
can.
yeah.
You can share.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
So
If you are
let us-
comfort, you can take in Tamil also, Anita. Not a problem. All of them aware of Tamil.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then I'll combine. So I will tell in English and also try to tell the Tamil word also. Okay. Okay.
See, they got their puppets also. So we have a
Oh, really?
puppetry lab for everyone.
Oh, okay, okay. Good, good. Very
Yeah.
good. Nice to know. So this is the story, 50 daily actions. So let us go into the story now. So this is 50 daily actions. Let us look at what is the first action. So this is, yeah, this girl, you look at the girl, she's doing different actions. She's opening her hands. She is touching her nose. She's opening her eyes. You see her, she's doing different types of actions. So just let us just read out the introduction. Can you think of a day in your life without any action? Life is full of actions, tasks, and activities. Let us look at the various actions we do in life. Brushing teeth. Early in the morning, all of us brush the teeth. So we use toothpaste and we brush the teeth. So we become clean. We have a clean feeling early in the morning only when we brush the teeth. So what is the spelling of brush? B-R-U-S-H. Brush. Okay. So இது என்னன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க? பல்லு வளர்க்கிறது. தமிழ்ல என்ன? பல்லு வளர்க்கிறது. So பல்லு வளர்க்கிறது வந்து அது வந்து brush அப்படின்னு இங்கிலீஷ்ல சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகேவா?
Okay, ma'am.
The next action is talk. Talk. Every day in life we talk. Now also I'm talking with you. You are also talking with me. So every day in life we talk. So we talk with friends, we talk with our neighbors, we talk with our parents. So we keep talking every day. So talk. So what is the spelling of talk? T-A-L-K. Okay, very good. T-A-L-K, talk. So தமிழ்ல டாக்குக்கு என்ன? பேசுறது தான் தமிழ்ல. டாக் வந்து பேசுறது தான் தமிழ். Walk. Daily every day we walk, isn't it? We walk on the roads, we walk to school, we walk to go to a shop to buy something. So every day in our life we'll walk inside the house. So every day in our life we'll be walking. So what is the spelling of walk? Very good, very good. Good. So தமிழ்ல walk-க்கு என்ன சொல்றது? நடக்கறாங்க. So that is the name for walk. Okay. Now look beautifully, the ladies are dancing. So dance. So yes, dancing like this. So dance. So what is the spelling of dance? Very good. D-A-N-C-E, dance. So தமிழ்ல டான்ஸ்க்கு என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? ஆடுறது அப்படின்னு தான் சொல்லுவாங்க தமிழ்ல டான்ஸ். சரியா? ஓகே. பாட்டி என்ன பண்றாங்க? What is the grandma doing? She is reading a book. படிக்கிறாங்க. So book படிக்கிறாங்க. Read. Can you tell the spelling of read out the spelling of the word read?
Read.
Very good. What are they doing here? Running. The action here is running. So we run to catch the bus. We run on a playing ground. When we are playing, we run on a playing ground. We run in a sports field like this, in a track. They're all running on the track. So we run several times in life. So tell the spelling of the word run. Very good. Tamil run க்கு என்ன? ஓடுறது, ஓடுறாங்க, அதுதான் run. Okay, very good. Sing, sing. Look how the girl is singing. Tana tana na tana dum dum tana tana na tana dum dum. So look, that girl is singing. She is singing a song. So read out the word sing. Let's tell the spelling. Sing. Very good. Anyone here knows to sing? Can sing a small song? No one knows. You will know at least 1 or 2 lines. 2 lines? 1 line? Sing, sing. I can't hear anyone singing. Everyone is quiet. Okay. So we'll go to the next.
Can we sing Telugu songs, ma'am?
Yeah, you can sing Telugu songs. Sure.
Okay, ma'am. నిగను నీలి సముద్రం నా మనసేమో అందుత పడవ ప్రయాణం నీ నాకు ముత్యాల హారం తీరానికి లాగేటి తారం తారం నల్లనైన ముగ్గురులే అల్లరేలో లేపాయిలే నువ్వు తప్ప నాకింకోలో కన్నులే చుట్ట తప్పాయలే గల్లు మంటే నీ గాజులే చెల్లు మంది నా ప్రాణమే అందుకుంది ప్రాణవేలులా ప్రేమే ప్రయాణం నీరాలు ముత్యాల హారం నన్ను తీరానికి లాగేటి దారం దారం. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, very good, very good. Very nice song. You all sang beautifully. Very nice. Okay, what is the next?
Ma'am.
Yeah, okay. What is the next action word here? Swim. This girl is swimming in a river. You can swim in a sea. You can swim in a swimming pool. So swim. So can you read out the spelling of the word and tell me? What is
Swim.
swim? Very good. Tamil swim க்கு என்ன? நீச்சல் அடிக்கிறது தான் தமிழ்ல ஸ்விம்முக்கு. சரியா? Okay, next. இப்ப நான் கை தட்டினேன் இல்லையா? So clapping hands. This boy is happily clapping hands. Whenever we want to appreciate others, we clap our hands. So can you read out clap the word? Clap. தமிழ்ல என்ன? கை தட்டுறதுன்னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, very good. Now what is this girl doing? She's doing exercise like this. Why we do exercise? They say every morning you should do exercise. Yeah, you can go for a walk, you can do yoga. So to keep your body healthy and strong, you have to do exercise. Pardon me? Okay. So you have to do exercise. So can you read out the word? EXERCISE. So that is exercise. So Tamil exercise kena chalvanga?
What? ma'am.
உடற்பயிற்சின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. தமிழ்ல வந்து உடற்பயிற்சி. Good, very good. What is this girl doing? She's washing her hands. கை கழுவுறது, washing. So can you read out this? Can you read out this?
Wash.
Very good, very good. Next, what is this beautiful. She's laughing. Oh, she's laughing like anything. So laugh. So all of us laugh, no? When we are happy, we laugh. When somebody is cracking a joke, we laugh. Yeah, when there is a joke, we laugh. So all of us love to laugh like anything.
I'm a laughing alphabet also there, ma'am.
Laughing alphabet song is there, ma'am.
Laughing alphabets, really? What are they? Tell me, I don't know, actually. Okay, very good, very good. So that is laugh. What is the next action? Drink. He's drinking. Drink water. Drink drink milk. So drink. So can you read out the spelling of the word drink? Drink க்கு தமிழ்ல என்ன? குடிக்கிறது. Okay, okay, very good. Cry. This girl is crying. She is crying. Yes, cry. What is this boy doing? He's eating. Yeah, he's eating. What fruit is he eating? Can you know which fruit is that? Mango. Okay, so whenever we are hungry, we eat something. Okay, good. Tamil enna eat kar? சாப்பிடுறது. Okay. Jump. Look at the two of them. They are jumping. Tamil jumping na enna? Gudikar. Jumping na gudikar. So right. எழுதுறது. Good. So what is this man doing? Okay. Drive. So he is driving. Can you read out the spelling for drive? Good. What is this person doing? Drawing. So Tamil drawing என்ன? வரையறாங்க, படம் வரையறது அப்படின்னா drawing. Okay. இது நம்ம சின்ன வயசுல எல்லாரும் பண்ணிருப்போம்ல, skipping. All of us would have done skipping in our young age. I used to love doing skipping in my young age. So skip. The girl is skipping. Skip. சரியா? So தமிழ்ல என்ன? I think it is துள்ளுறது. தமிழ்ல skipping not துள்ளுறதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Browse. This girl is browsing the computer screen. So all of you would have sat in front of a computer and you would have gone to Google search. You would have done a Google search. You would have searched for some pictures. So all that is called as browsing. Okay. What is this person doing?
Cutting the vegetables.
Cutting the vegetables. So you can cut the vegetables, you can cut the fruits, you can do different things. So cutting. So cutting Tamil என்னது? வெட்டுறதுன்னு கூட சொல்லலாம். கட்டிங் வந்து காய் அரியிறாங்கன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, பட் வெட்டுறதுன்னு கூட சொல்லலாம் தமிழ்ல. Pull. So what is this boy doing? He is pulling the dog. Pull. So pull தமிழ்ல என்ன? புல் இழுக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. What are they doing here?
Play.
Pray. Okay. So pray. So they are praying. Tamil prayer.
Pray to the God.
Pray to the God. Okay. இங்க என்ன பண்றாங்க அந்த அம்மா அந்த பொண்ணுக்கு combing the hair, comb. So முடி வாரி விடுறது வந்து comb அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். சரியா?
Yes, ma'am.
COMB, comb. What is this lady doing? தமிழ்ல என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க குக்கிங்க்கு? சமைக்கிறது, சமையல் செய்யறாங்க. அதுதான் சரியா? ஸ்பிட். ஐயோ வாயில ஏதோ இருக்குது, ஏச்சி துப்புறோம், தூ அப்படின்னு துப்புறோம் இல்லையா, அதுதான் ஸ்பிட். சோ அதனால வந்து தமிழ்ல என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, அதுக்கு ஸ்பிட்டுக்கு வந்து எச்சி துப்புறது, எச்சி துப்புறாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்றது ஸ்பிட். ஓகேவா? இப்போ இவங்க என்ன பண்றாங்க? what are they doing? beat. They are beating the drums. Dum 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 dum. They are beating the drums. Okay, good. So தமிழ்ல வந்து பீட்க்கு என்ன சொல்வாங்க? அடிக்கிறது. மேளம் அடிக்கிறது, இல்லனா மேளம் கொட்டுறாங்கன்னு கூட சொல்லுவாங்க. மேளம் கொட்டுறது, மேளம் கொட்டுறது அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. சரியா? சோ பீட் ஸ்பெல்லிங் ரீட் அவுட் பண்ணுங்க. Good, very good. What is the man doing? What is he doing? Throwing the ball to the dog. Throw spelling padinga. How will you spell it out? Very good, very good. So தமிழ்ல என்ன சொல்வாங்க த்ரோக்கு? விசிறது, போடுறது, தூக்கி எறியறது, என்ன வேணா சொல்லலாம் தமிழ்ல. சரியா? ஓகே. What is this girl doing? She's buying something. She's buying. Very good, very good. What is this girl doing?
Showing the picture.
Good, good, good. All of you are very smart girls and boys. You know everything. Good. Good, good, very good. Row. Rowing the boat. So row. Okay, good. Rowing the boat. தமிழ்ல rowing என்ன சொல்வாங்க? Rowing the boat. நானும் அதான் யோசிச்சேன். சரி, நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல நான் சொல்றேன்.
தமிழ்ல
ஓட்டுறது. படகு ஓட்டுறது. சரியா? Crawl. The baby is crawling. The baby is நடக்கிறதுன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. தமிழ்ல வந்து தவழ்றதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. தரையில இப்படி குழந்தை தவழ்ந்து போகுது இல்லையா, 4 கால்ல போறத வந்து தவழ்றதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. வாக் தான் நடக்கிறது, 4 கால்ல போடுறது வந்து குழந்தை தவழ்ந்து போகுது அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. சரியா? crawl. CRAWL, crawl. Type. This person is typing. என்னமா?
மெசேஜ் வைக்குது மேம்.
மெசேஜ் வைக்கிறப்ப டைப்
மெசேஜ்
வாட்ஸ்அப்ல மெசேஜ் வைக்குது மேம். ஹாய் பாய் அப்படிங்க.
yes, like that only. Type.
ஃபோன் பண்றது.
What is this girl? Is collecting the flowers. சேகரிக்கிறது இல்லனா சேக்கிறது சேகரிக்கிறது அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். சரியா? இவங்க என்ன பண்றாங்க? What are they doing?
Fighting.
சண்டை போடுவாங்க.
சண்டை போட்டுட்டாங்க.
சண்டை போடுறாங்க, குஸ்தி போடுறாங்க, சண்டை போடுறாங்க. சரி. Fight. Good. F-I-G-H-T. Fight.
F-I-G-H-T. Fight.
Okay. Count.
Counting the money.
Counting the money. என்றது 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 பணத்தை எண்றாங்க, பணத்தை எண்ணி பாக்குறாங்க. என்றதுதான் கவுண்ட்.
Okay,
Next. Yawn, yawn. This word is called as yawn. கொட்டாய். கொட்டாய் விடுறது. Yawn. கொட்டாய் விடுறதுதான் yawn. W-A-Y-N. Yawn. சொல்லுங்க.
Y-A-W-N. Yawn.
Correct, correct. Y-A-W-N. Yawn. Correct, correct. I think I told the ulta. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Y-A-W-N. Yawn. Good. கொட்டாய் விடுறது. What is the king doing?
Catching the dog.
The king is catching the dog. Catch. So தமிழ் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? பிடிக்கிறது. பிடிக்கிறது. அதுதான் catching. Okay. C-A-T-C-H. Catch. Okay. What is the man doing? Small boy doing? Climbing. So ஏறது. படி ஏறது. படி ஏறி போறாங்க. படி ஏறது. Okay. What is this girl doing? She is lifting weights. So usually இந்த மாதிரி lift weights எங்க lift பண்ணுவாங்க? எந்த இடத்துல பண்ணுவாங்க சொல்லுங்க? ஜிம்னாசியம்ல தான் weight lift பண்ணுவாங்க. தூக்குறது, weight தூக்குறது. Okay, lift. இப்போ என்ன பண்றாங்க? பலூனை ஊதி டப்புன்னு உடைக்கிறாங்க. So they are blowing air into the balloon and making it big. B-L-O-W. Blow. தமிழ்ல என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? ஊதுறது.
படைக்கிறது, ஊதுறது. Open.
Open. Correct.
Jog. J-O-G. Jog.
Correct.
Dress.
இந்த துணி வந்து என்ன மீனிங்ல சொல்றோம்னா ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? சோ அந்த ஆக்ஷனை வந்து சொல்றோம் ட்ரெஸ்ஸிங் அப் அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம்.
Feed.
ஊட்டுறது. Feed.
Play.
விளையாடுறது.
என்ன கேம்ஸ்? இவங்க என்ன கேம்ஸ்லாம் விளையாடுறாங்க சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். இந்த பொண்ணு என்ன பண்றா? ஒரு இடுப்புல வச்சுட்டு பண்றாளே, அது பேர் என்ன? ரிங்ல. அது பேர் வந்து ஹூலா ஹூப். அந்த இடுப்புல வச்சுட்டு இப்படி சுத்துறது பேர் வந்து ஹூலா ஹூப். சரியா? ஹூலா ஹூப். This what is this? அடுக்கி வைக்கிறது. அரேஞ்ச். A-R-R-A-N-G-E. அரேஞ்ச்.
A-R-R-A-N-G-E. Orange.
Teach. What is this person doing? What is this teacher doing? She's teaching. Now, like how I'm teaching you, I'm teaching. Okay. இப்ப தமிழ்ல என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? பாடம் சொல்லி கொடுக்கிறது, பாடம் சொல்லி கொடுக்கறாங்க, கற்பிக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. பாடம் சொல்லி தராங்க. So these action words are also known as action verbs. So Englishல grammarல என்ன சொல்வாங்க? இந்த மாதிரி action ஏதாவது செயல் செய்யறது, action செய்யறதெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு verbs ன்னு சொல்வாங்க. So these action words are also known as action verbs. It is no wonder they say that life is a verb. அதாவது வாழ்க்கையே ஒரு verb தான், வாழ்க்கையே ஒரு action தான் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. Can you think of few more action words? வேற சரி நம்ம இப்ப கவர் பண்ணாதது வேற ஏதாவது உங்களுக்கு action words இல்லனா அந்த actions ஏதாவது தோணுதா? வேற ஏதாவது நம்ம பார்க்காத? Close. Very good, very good. Closing, it's an action. Very good, very good. Any other action? Any other action verb?
Singing.
Singing we saw. Okay. Singing, or you can say humming. Humming a song. Humming is also another action word. Okay. Anything else?
Tying the belt.
Yes, ma'am.
Tying the belt. Tie. Good. Very good. Tie. Very good. Then
Playing with dog.
playing with dog. So play. Okay. There is again. It's a action word. Play. We have already seen. Yes. Playing with dog is also an action word. Okay. What else?
Cutting the paper.
Hey, we saw cutting the vegetables, no? So cutting the paper. Okay, okay, good. Okay, any other word? சத்தமா கத்துறதுக்கு என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? சத்தமா கத்துறது அதுக்கு என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க?
Shouting.
Shouting ஒன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. இன்னொரு கரெக்ட் வேர்ட் வந்து scream. சத்தமா ஈன்னு கத்துறது வந்து scream அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. SCREAM scream. ஓகே, சரி, ஓகே. வேற என்ன வேர்ட்ஸ்?
Chewing the bubble gum.
Chew. Okay, correct. Very good. Chew is a very good verb, action verb. Chew. Very good. Anything else? What about இப்போ ஸ்கூல்ல வந்துட்டு ரிபப்ளிக் டே எல்லாம் வந்தோம்னா என்ன பண்ண சொல்லுவாங்க? ரிபப்ளிக் டே இல்லனா வேற ஏதாவது ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் டே அப்படிலாம்
Speech.
Okay, speak இல்லனா டாக் சொல்லலாம். இன்னொன்னு இப்படி பண்ணுவோமே, கையாட்டி ஆட்டி இப்படி பண்ணுவோமே, அது என்னது? என்ன பண்றது இது? What is that? ரிபப்ளிக் டே or any sports day, some day. இப்படி பண்ணுவாங்களே. What is the word? March is the word. நடக்கிறது, march பண்ணி போறது, march is the word. Okay, so it was a very nice session with all of you. I really enjoyed taking this session for you. So surely we will meet next week, Sundays at the same time, 4 p.m. And I think I can tell you a little advanced stories, I think, because you people all told the words very easily. So nicely you told and found out all the words and told. So next week, maybe a little more big stories for your age. Maybe I can think of that. Okay. If you have any suggestions also, you tell your Mani Anna, he will convey it to me. If you want some story, some topic to be covered, some skill to be covered, You inform him, then I can take that for you on the Sundays. Okay. So very nice meeting you all. Thank you, Mani. You would like to say something?
Thank you so much, Anita. So that was a fantastic and good start, actually. So we have a storytelling sessions for our kids. We ask the kids to come out with their own creative stories. So
Okay,
it would
okay,
be
good.
good if you can give them some tips like how to start their story and how they can change their voice and how they can cope up their
Okay,
emotions during that storytelling
Okay.
and the art of storytelling. If you can share in that way so that they can become a good story.
Good. Surely. So next session, I think next week we can have the art of storytelling. Sure. Very, very nice. I'll plan for that. Sure.
Sure. So anyone would like to say
Bye.
something?
Anyone,
Bhavya?
what do you want to say something?
About the session. ஏதாவது சொல்லணும்னு நினைச்சேன்னா you can tell the feedback to ma'am.
யோசிக்கிறாங்க action verb யோசிக்கிறாங்க.
என்ன கத்துக்கணும், if you want to convey thank to them, you can thank her. Yeah.
Ma'am, thank you for coming and joining our class.
Thank you. Sure. Very happy to see you all. You sang and all. You did a lot of things. You sang, you told some happy words and all, alphabets and all. So it's very happy to know all that. Yeah. Thanks for actively participating also.
Thank you so much, Anita. Looking forward for the new future sessions. Thank you.
Okay. Sure.
Bye,
Thank you.
class.
Thank you. Lord.
First, thank you, class.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Coming and
Thank
telling.
Thank you.
Thank you, claps.
Thank you.
One, two.
1, 2, thank you. 1, 2, thank you.
Okay, bye, claps.
1, 2, bye.
1, 2, bye. 1, 2, bye. 1, 2, bye. 1, 2. Shabash, shabash, shabash.
It's time to say shabash. Shabash to everyone.
Sabash.
Shabash, shabash.
Super. Fantastic. Well done. You are the best and you are the great. Thank you. See you next week.
Sure.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.